Welcome back. It's the grand finals of Schools Challenge Quiz 2000, and we'd just like to apologize for that little lengthy delay. We were trying to sort a question out, and at the end of that, we have a change in the scores. The scores are now Ardennes 22 and Glenmuir 16, gaining 1 extra point for the question, which color is on the inside of a rainbow? The judges will accept purple as the correct answer. So the scores are Ardennes 22 and Glenmuir 16. And we now go to the decisive section 3 of our contest. Now, in this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the signal buzzer, earning the chance to answer after, of course, being identified. Now, teams will gain 2 points for each correct answer, but they will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. The team pressing the buzzer has 5 seconds in which to answer, and if the team presses the buzzer before the question is complete, then you will be expected to give an answer. If you cannot answer after pressing the buzzer, then you will also lose 2 points. So, let's begin with section 3 of the contest. We begin with art. Which poetic variant of the art form Cubism did Robert Delaunay form in the early 20th century? Orphism. Jamaican heritage. In which parish are the Don Figueroa, Glenmuir?
Manchester.
Correct. The Don Figueroa Mountains. Physics. What is the name of the elementary particle similar to the electron in having Ardennes?
Top.
Incorrect. In having unit negative charge, but which is 209 times the mass of the electron, and that is muon. Local and international affairs. This is visual, so please look at the monitor. Identify this person. Ardennes.
This person is
Sridath Ramphal.
Yes, Sir Sridath Ramphal. Mathematics. 2 numbers are in the ratio 5:7. When 15 is added to each, the ratio changes to 5:6. What are the 2 numbers? Ardennes.
15 and 21.
That is correct. Bible knowledge. Jehoiakim, king of Judah, was called by 3 other names. 2 of them were Jehoiakim and Coniah. What was the third? Ardennes.
Eliakim.
Incorrect. Jeconiah. Music. This is audio. Please listen to the following clip and identify the artist. Glenmuir.
Barry Salmon.
That is correct. Biology. Paralysis agitans is another name for which degenerative disease of the brain? Parkinson's syndrome. General knowledge. Which city is the headquarters of the European Court of Glenmuir?
Brussels.
Incorrect. The European Court of Justice, Luxembourg. History. Who was president of Senegal during the 1980s? Abdou Diouf. Spanish. What is papel de periódico? Newsprint. Chemistry. What name is given to a molecule that has both a positive and a Glenmuir?
Zwitan.
Correct. And a negative charge. English language. Give a 10-letter word beginning with M, which means scrupulous about details.
Meticulous.
That is correct, Ardennes, and I ask again for the members of the floor to be quiet. No prompting, please. Sports. Which team won this season's English Third Division League? Ardennes.
Swansea.
Correct. Literature. Look at the monitor. Identify the play from which this scene comes.
gentle.
Ardennes.
Oh, Lord.
Macbeth.
Correct. French. Give the English or the equivalent English idiom for the French expression faire un éléphant d'une grenouille. To make a mountain out of a molehill. Geography. What are the names given to the slopes formed when a sedimentary bed outcrops as a landscape feature? Theatre. What name was given to Spanish religious plays in the 13th and 14th centuries? Autos Sacramentales. Art. What was the title of the work by Claude Monet, after which the art form Glenmore?
Impression Sunrise.
Yes. The art form Impressionism was named. Physics. For his work, in what area of physics did Richard Feynman earn or rather share a Nobel Prize in 1965?
I'm Jonathan Mann at the CNN Center in Atlanta. A big congratulations from all of us here on your great performance in TVJ's School Challenge Quiz. We look forward to hosting you in Atlanta. It's great that Jamaica has a program like this, so a big well done to TVJ. TVJ.